So you got yourself a brand new Baofeng UV-5R radio. So now what? Straight out of the box, it's not really the most user-friendly radio, basically just showing channel frequency on the display. I don't know about you, but if someone told me they were on GMRS radio channel 12, I would have no clue how to tune into that frequency. My UV-5R is already programmed and set up, but this is basically what you want to do. Turn the radio off, and while holding down the push to talk button and both the monitor and VDO buttons, switch the unit on. It's a little tricky to do, but if you successfully do it, you're now factory unlocked. Now to make it a lot more user-friendly, we want to change the display to show channels by name instead of frequency. Click on the menu button and then click on the navigation arrows to scroll to the menu item number 22. You'll see mine is already set to name. Hit menu one more time to select the option, and then the navigational arrows once again to scroll through the options of name, channel, or frequency. We want name, obviously. Hit the exit button and you're done with the menu. For the next part, we'll need a laptop and the USB program cable that came with the UV-5R. Plug it into your mic port and turn the radio on to full volume, and then plug it into your laptop. For programming, we're going to download a program called Chirp. See the link in the description. This tutorial is assuming you're using a Windows-based PC. Click on the highlighted window installer and download the free software. Once downloaded, go ahead and install it. When it finishes installing, go ahead and run it. First thing we need to do is connect to the radio using the toolbar menu. You should see a serial COM port in the drop-down menu related to your UV-5R. For the other options, be sure to select Baofeng as the vendor and UV-5R as the model, then click OK. Follow the prompts, then click OK when you're ready. You'll see the flashing red light on the radio while it reads the data. When finished, you'll see a list of frequencies displayed in what looks like a spreadsheet. Again, my radio is already programmed, so yours won't look quite like this. Of course, before making any changes, we want to back up the image file to the laptop. Now that the image is safely backed up, have a look in the description below for a Dropbox link and a forum page where you can download a preset channel list that includes a really comprehensive list of channels, all viewable by channel or name. You'll see, of course, the popular FRS and GMRS channels, multi-use channels, resource road and logging industry radio channels, search and rescue, Canadian and NOAA weather channels, and much, much more. With your Dropbox account, click the download arrow on the upper right and then download the CSV file. Now in the Chirp software, click on Open and browse to where you downloaded the channel list, and it'll open up in a new window tab. Now go back to your Baofeng image file tab. Click on the first cell, scroll down on the bottom of the list, and while holding down the Shift key, select the last line on the chart. With all the cells highlighted, go to Edit and then delete them. Now click over to the downloaded list in the other tab, and then select them all the same way you just did. This time we're going to go to the Edit option and click on Copy. Back over once again to the Baofeng tab, click on the first cell labeled number 1, and then go to the Edit and then Paste. You'll now have a duplicate list from the one that you downloaded in the image file for the radio. For me, and this is just a personal choice, I like to rename the FRS and GMRS channels for easier searching while using the radio. Simply edit the name cells to whatever you prefer. Once done, we're now ready to flash the data to the UV-5R. Once again, click on the radio option at the top and then choose the option to upload to radio. The connection data should be there from when you read the data, so click on OK, follow the prompts, and then hit OK to begin writing. This time you'll see a flashing green light on the unit while the data is being uploaded. Once finished, then that's it. Unplug your program cable, turn on the radio, and now it'll display the channel name on the display and voice out the channel number when you flip through the different frequencies.
1012.
Now when your buddies say they're on FRS channel 2, for example, you can quickly and easily tune in. Thanks for watching.